Let's take a look at this Mustang. 1971 Ford Mustang Grande. Of course, the Grande was Ford's attempt at a luxurious Mustang with the vinyl padded top, deluxe wheel covers, nicer equipment. That's kind of what the Grande was. I believe it was 69 to 73 available. Kind of the forgotten Mustang out of the group. This particular one has been with the previous owner for 21 plus years. Had this car for a long time. It has underwent a repaint along the way somewhere. I would call it a nice driver quality. As you can see in the video, it has a decent luster to it, but you will find some small dings, imperfections, what have you, and I'll kind of see if I can point them out or get them to show up. They don't readily show up in all the pictures and the video, but if I can kind of see, I'll point some out. You can see the front bumper may have been re-chromed along the line. That is a nice shape. A little bit of pitting on the hood trim up here as far as chrome piece there. Now underneath the hood, a nicely equipped Mustang, like I was saying with that Grande in the more luxurious model. This does have AC. It has been converted and it is working. Was a factory AC car, also power steering, power brakes. Gentleman actually drove this car to us from, I'd say 100 miles away, over an hour drive. Drove it on down. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, check out the interior, engine compartment, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. This particular car does have an automatic transmission paired with that 302. Buckets up front, shifter on the floor, aftermarket Alpine stereo added, does work. Wipers work in this car, like I said, AC, did blow cold. So nice functioning, nice driving car. See up and down the side of it. I mean, it's not full of a bunch of nicks or dings or chips. It's just that the paint job is a little bit older. It kind of shows its age some. It's the best way to explain it. Just a driver, nice driver. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So ask your sales associate about that when you call in or email us. It's riding on General tires. Appear to have a good percentage of their tread left. And like I said, the gentleman did drive this car here from over an hour away. Take a look up and down the driver's side here. Black vinyl interior. You got the side rear view mirrors on both sides. Carpeting, door panels, what you'd expect. Nothing crazy out of the ordinary. Take a look at the headliner, still all right. Could maybe use just a tad bit of TLC, but again, I would rate this car driver quality. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. Check out the engine bay, look it over. It is a little cold-blooded, but I think this one should. Nope, fired right up. All right. They've added a tachometer over there on the left. You can see the fuel gauge works. Like I said, I did have the wipers working. AC was also working. Compressor turning on and off, blowing cold in the interior here. And this is a true Grande, by the way. You have your badge there, but at the same time, this would be a 65F body car, which decoded it as a Grande coupe. And coupe is the only way you would be able to get the Grande trim level. No crazy sound coming out of that. The squeaking and the noise that you hear is behind me, moving a Chevelle around. So that's not this car. We'll let them get out of here and we'll open the hood and you'll be able to see the car run and hear it. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. Let's pop the hood and check this one out. All right, nice tidy engine bay underneath here. So we got HEI ignition. There's your AC. Has been converted, as you can see here, to the later model hookups. Look at how smooth that runs. Nice smooth run at 302. Power steering, power brakes. there you go. Nice car. Maybe you had one of these back in the day, would like another one. You want kind of a Mustang that's more on the inexpensive side to get into the hobby. Here they are. The early 70s Mustangs. 1971 Ford Mustang Grande. 302 underneath the hood. AC, power steering, power brakes. Give us a call. 507-386-1726. Still pictures, undersides, trunk, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you give us a call or email.